I'm feeling pretty powerful thanks to the Duracell Powermat.
From Duracell, it's the Duracell Powermat PM1 PB1. It's the Travelmat Travel Charger.
Welcome everybody, it's a Spike Studio product review. This time we're looking at something from Duracell. It's the Duracell Powermat. What this is both a USB portable charger as well as one of their mats that you can lay your devices on top of with the appropriate cases. So reading the back for you, it supports the access case, snap battery, or other P-compatible devices on the Travelmat. Basically what it means is you can lay this down on a table. We'll take it out of the case in just a minute here. Have a phone case on your device, lay it on top of the mat, and it'll charge wirelessly, or use the built-in USB port to charge something else. So power that comes out from it, it's a built-in 5.5 watt-hour rechargeable lithium battery. You'll get 1 amp, I believe it is, yes I'm correct, wirelessly charged up to 1 amp, but if you're using the USB port, you're going to get the 2.1 amp. So you're going to get a little bit more out of that. It has a detachable micro USB, which we're going to pull out of the case as well, and it has that smart system for wireless. So it'll send the right amount of power to the device depending on the device that you lay on top using the case. What this means is with this alone, you can charge anything using the USB, including iPhone 5s if you have the adapter, of course. But if you wish to use this just natively, meaning walk in and lay something on it, you must also additionally purchase one of the cases for your device. It doesn't come with a case for the device in this set. This is strictly the Powermat. So we're going to take off the lovely plastic cover, and then we're going to take out the next insert, which is the case itself. It comes with a small owner's manual. It comes with the recharging USB as well as the plug, so you can charge it up against the wall and get the battery ready to go, and how long it'll stay, we figured that out a little bit later on. Now the case itself. One of the things I'm always curious about, and we review a lot of portable battery chargers here at Spike Studio, if you haven't seen some of the reviews, you should take a look, is different sizes and what you get from and everything else. So it's pretty hefty. I brought a couple other ones. This is one of our favorites that we have here. This was a power gen to give you a size comparison. This mobile juice pack is 3,400 milliamps. It's able to recharge iPad and a couple phones. It's really good. So the size difference is not something you're going to carry in your bag. This one was a while ago, Canevio. See the size difference. This one has LED lights, but there's a big size difference with this Duracell. Why? They have to make it big enough, of course, because you want to lay your device on it. You couldn't lay your device on top of one of these little things. What about the weight difference because of the battery that's inside? Well, guess what? We trust our little kitchen weight counter. We use anything here in the studio. You guys have seen us use all sorts of thermometers and stuff to do stuff. So overall, this one is, let's say, 4 ounces. So not a lot, a little over 4 ounces. One of these that we know will charge an iPad or the others or the other phones is about 3 to 3.5 ounces. So that one was easy. Good catch. So that is easy to tell the difference in the size. Is definitely a little bit more of a weight that is to this one. Now because of the extra USB cord that comes included inside of this, which we'll dig into and get it out, there's actually that USB charge mode on the side, and this is where you have to recharge this too. So if you look at the side of it, this little gold part flips down, and we'll move this out of the way. Little gold part flips down. Inside of it, what you're going to find is the recharging port and then the reverse when you plug in your device into it in the USB mode out to the device. So be it micro USB or the adapter that you'd have for your iPhone 5 for both those to charge the device itself, that's where you'll use this as a portable power brick. If not, you can set this on the table, buy one of the Duracell cases, lay it on the top, and off it goes. So from this, you're able to get a full charge almost of a device, be it iPhone 5 or whatever. We weren't able to successfully charge an iPad with it. It's not made for that. It's mainly made for the smaller mobile devices. Something else that I've noticed is eventually this hinge, how do I explain it to you? It's kind of weak. It's got a very thin plastic clips on the inside. And as we started using it more and more, just noticed that it was very thin. So eventually this thing could pop out. It's one of the more awkward ones we've ever seen that cover up. It's not a slide or anything else. And it doesn't fit properly on the end. There's a little bit of a gap. If you push it down, it goes back flush. But as you can see, as you use it more and more, and I open it up, now it's gapped out again. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or if that little slider's supposed to be in there, but I'd be worried about breaking that off, so just be careful with that. Otherwise, on the side, there is a power indicator light. When you push the button, it'll light up to show you the actual battery strength that comes. It was already pre-charged pretty much up to 3 bars out of the 4 that are on there. This means it's on and ready to go right now. There we go. 3 lights are there. So you can set it on the wall, charge for a few hours. The owner's manual, you may want to look through that. You'll want to know how long you need to charge it, how it works, the Travelmat compatibility, what devices are good. Now, one other thing that wasn't in the book was how long it took to recharge it fully. So it took hours for you to recharge it fully, but it should, as most of these other ones do, hold its charge for months, if not longer. Most of them, at least a few months, are good to go. If you actually hard press the power button for a long period of time, it will turn off the battery. If you press it just once really quickly, what you'll get to see is the amount of battery that's left in there, which we showed you. And if you press and hold it on, it says it's ready to go in charge mode. Hook up your device or lay the device on top. So, Duracell, thank you for sending over. It's a great addition for your devices if you like to have a case that you can just lay down on top of this and it starts charging automatically. If you have another type of case on your device, don't fret. You have the built-in cable with this one as well. So this could actually do a couple different modes. Someone in the house could have the Duracell cases. Someone else could just need to plug into the USB side and have a portable battery pack. So thank you to Duracell for sending it over. If you please go ahead and click through to the Amazon link, just let them know, even if you're not buying it, that our reviews are helpful. If you have other products that you wish to review, let us know. Subscribe to all the playlists in Spike Studio for all the product reviews we do. And if you have your own product, get in touch and send it over. It's another product review from Spike Studio.